Have you ever felt the urge to sneeze, but it just doesn't come? There must be something behind it. I'm about to reveal the secret. The urge to sneeze is caused by nasal irritation, but sometimes we may not be able to sneeze due to a blockage in the nasal passages or an interruption in the sneeze reflex arc. This is usually not a cause for concern and the sensation will eventually pass, but if it persists or is frequent, it may be worth speaking with a healthcare provider to rule out any underlying issues. We can now understand better our bodies and be aware of what goes on inside. Take care of yourself and your health. Follow me for more health secrets.